Surprise! I have another pop in the box right here.
What do you mean you have another?
I got it in
Stop
the mail.
it.
It's a
You're
large
being ridiculous
10-inch one. His name is Rocco. And he licks. Hey guys,
welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Kristen.
And I'm Ryan.
And we're Adventures in Weberland. And today, we're going to be opening our August subscription to Pop in a Box. And if you don't know what that is, Pop in a Box is a website where you can buy Funko Pops. And we actually have a monthly subscription and we get a mystery pop.
Oh, I'm
once
excited.
a month. I know. I always get nervous when we get these. So last month, we got, I have it, hold on. We got Dash from The Incredibles 2. This was last month's mystery pop that we got. So I'm excited. Are you ready?
I wonder what it could be. Let's get it out. Ooh.
I don't prep before this. I should have it like already open.
No, it's the excitement of opening the box.
No, but there's like a lot of tape on it and I gotta use scissors.
It's okay.
And it's just like...
Right, yeah.
This is like really taped this time. Okay, wait. Oh,
yeah.
okay.
You got it.
Okay. Ready?
I'm ready.
Oh, I'm gonna look at it first. I really can't open it. This is not a joke, actually.
Whoa. Whoa.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Whoa!
No way! We got Pinocchio!
Yeah!
Oh my
Awesome.
gosh. Actually, it's a Pop in a Box exclusive, which means you can only get it on
Ooh,
this
I really
website.
like this one.
Oh my gosh, how cute. So it has Pinocchio with the long nose and Jiminy Cricket on the end of it. This is adorable.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So this is the collection, if you can see the back there.
Yeah.
This is so cute.
Yeah.
This is actually a movie I haven't seen in a really long time.
Yeah.
And now I kind of want to watch it.
Parts of it are scary a little bit, I think.
A little bit.
Yeah.
This is really cute. I am super happy with this one. Good job, Pop in a Box.
Yes.
I'm obsessed.
Surprise. I have another pop in the box right here.
What do you mean you have another?
I got it in the mail.
Stop it.
It's a
You're
large
being ridiculous
10-inch one.
Oh.
His name is Rocco. And he licks.
Buddy.
Animatronic.
Wow. He's so lifelike.
Look, see his head moves like
he
that?
moves.
Yeah.
Oh, and he sheds. Look,
Yeah.
you get an extra gift.
And if you're lucky, he barks.
So we did get a bunch of messages asking what Funko Pops we bought when we went on our shopping spree a couple weeks ago, and we'll link the video right up there. So we figured we'd go through them and show you what we got. There are some Disney and there are some non-Disney. So we will start with the one that we did show in that video, and that is the Hot Topic exclusive Jack Skellington.
Yeah.
It is the artist series, so there are two different kinds of this one in particular. One's Hot Topic exclusive and one isn't. And I was surprised we found it because online it did say it was sold out.
Yeah.
But we got them.
So most of the ones I got were non-Disney.
All of the ones you got are non-Disney.
I just couldn't find any good Disney ones. You got all the good ones. So, and you know, it's okay. But I found some really cool ones. And I got 2 Austin Powers pop toys here. We got Austin Powers himself and Dr. Evil. Now this Austin Powers one, he has a blue suit on the outside, but if you look closely, it's a red suit.
The actual figure has a red suit on.
Yeah, and so it's worth a little bit more money actually because of that. But the normal one has a blue suit on. So, and then you got good old Dr. Evil
with his cat,
Mr. Bigglesworth.
Mr. Bigglesworth.
And there's one more in the set, which is Vanessa Kensington, which I have not gotten yet, but well, on the lookout.
So the next 2 I have are from the Haunted Mansion.
Whoa.
We have the Maid, and then we have the Opera Singer, which is actually from Disneyland's 50th anniversary.
Wow.
So that's that, and there are obviously more to the series.
So, you know, we went to Spirit Halloween and I got in a little horror mood. So I found 2 awesome horror pop toys, and it's Friday the 13th, Jason Voorhees, and Pinhead.
But these are from Hot Topic, not
Yes.
Spirit Halloween.
They are from Hot Topic, but we were on our way to go to Spirit Halloween, and I was thinking, oh, I would love to collect some of the classic horror, you know, monsters, and pick these 2 up.
These are really cool, and
Yeah.
I don't even think they're a series. Like, these are like a one and done type of thing,
I think so, yeah. This one says Hellraiser 3 on the back, And this one here is just Friday the 13th original. So, even though he doesn't wear a mask in the original, but I thought it was pretty cool.
What is my like absolute favorite character from Toy Story?
The alien.
Yes, it is the alien.
Woo! I
So
love them.
this one is the Diamond Collection from Hot Topic. Hot Topic
Yeah.
exclusive, so it's kind of like glittery and shiny. And I've actually been looking for this one for a long time. So that's that. And then they also came out with what they call the Alien Remix. So it's the alien from Toy Story, and he dresses up as different Pixar characters. So this one is Wall-E.
Wow.
He's so cute. This is actually the first one of the series that I have. I don't
Yeah.
have any other ones, so I am trying to collect them. There's a lot. There's
Yeah.
a lot. This is actually the second group that came out. So the first one, he dresses up as like Buzz Lightyear and Woody and Sully. And there's a whole plethora of remixes that we have to get, but I think he's so cute.
I love this idea. I think it's awesome.
Yeah.
Because it like mixes things together, you know, because it's remixed.
Yeah.
It's like,
some of them are
different.
really funny.
Yeah, they are. So I'm a big fan of Bill Murray, and we saw
So random.
2 awesome Bill Murray Pop toys. One
Saw 2 awesome
was Bob Wiley
toys.
from What About Bob, and he's holding the Baby Steps book, and I thought it was really cool, and I really haven't seen this much. So then we have actual Bill Murray from Zombieland. He plays himself in the movie,
I've never seen
and he
it.
becomes a zombie.
That's
and this
funny.
is when he becomes a zombie. So I thought these are cool, and you know, there's more actual Bill Murray ones out there, but we're gonna try to find them all, I think.
I feel like the Zombieland one doesn't really look like him that much,
No.
but like this one reminds me of him in like Ghostbusters.
Yeah. Yeah, that's in the 90s. This is more now,
I guess
so
that makes
that's
sense.
why.
So back to Disney.
What do you got there?
We are big Halloween fans, and these were released for Halloween this year, and they are so adorable. I'm so excited. We got the Mickey and the Minnie. Mickey's a vampire and Minnie's a witch, and these are so cute. These are so adorable. I was super excited that we found them both at the same time.
Yeah.
Because we found Minnie and then there was like no Mickey whatsoever. And then we went to go check out and Mickey was behind the counter.
Yeah.
So I was super excited to find them both at the same time because I was worried I wasn't going to be able to find them at all. So these are adorable.
So you know we love The Office.
Yes, we do.
I mean, who doesn't? And we found 2 Pop toys that we didn't have in our collection. We actually found a third, but we actually had it already.
I know, so
But-
we're gonna have to do a little exchange.
That's okay, we'll get another Office one. But we found Florida Stanley and Kelly Kapoor. And
It's so
I think
ridiculous.
Florida Stanley is awesome. I mean, that's just incredible. And then we got Kelly Kapoor in her outfit here from when she dressed up. And
This is actually another series. Like, this isn't the original series that came out. Okay, so no more Disney. I don't have any more. I'm sorry. But if you are a horror fan, or even a Tim Burton fan like I am, you're going to like this. So the first one I have, if you are a horror fan, is this horror?
yeah.
I guess it is.
Classic.
It's Alex from Clockwork Orange, and this is a Hot Topic exclusive because he does have the mask on. So there is one where he has no mask. There's the back, so you can take a look. This one was kind of hard to find as well. And if you are a Tim Burton fan like I am, holy moly, Edward Scissorhands. This one was so cool. I was so excited to find this one.
It's a great movie.
I didn't even know they had them out.
I know.
This is so cool. And there are other ones you can get in that series as well.
Yeah, that one's really cool.
A little bit of information for you since I am a huge Backstreet Boy fan. Did you know Nick Carter from the Backstreet Boys made a little cameo in Edward Scissorhands?
Really?
He sure
I
did.
didn't know that.
Well, you need to go watch now.
Oh, where?
You need to go watch now.
Okay. I'm buying some He-Man Pop toys. We have He-Man himself right there. There he is. And this other one is Triclops, and it is exclusive from Emerald City Comic Con. So you can only get this at Emerald City Comic Con, but we found it in the store.
We did.
So when I saw this, I had to get it.
Hold on a second. Speaking of The Office, is that what Dwight's character is based off of?
That's Recyclops.
I know, but...
And that's Triclops. I guess so, maybe a little bit. It looks like it a little bit.
No?
Yeah.
I mean, the green and the one eye, I don't know.
Yeah,
I'm just...
interesting. I never thought of it that way.
Well,
yeah,
you know.
might be true.
So that was from our recent haul. We actually have gotten a really awesome response from you guys about our Funko Pop collection. There are so many more that we've collected throughout the years.
Yeah.
I mean, again, if you want to see them, we will definitely show you. We're going to be collecting a lot more soon. We did order some really cool ones. I don't want to give it away yet. I'd rather show you guys.
Yeah.
But I promise they are so cool and they are Disney. It's going to be pretty cool.
We're going to have to start organizing them because they're all over the place.
They are all over the place.
Yeah.
But let us know what Funko Pops you have purchased recently, and if
Yeah.
you have gotten any cool new Disney ones, we would love to see them.
So thanks for joining us, and make sure you follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Adventures of Weberland.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, ring that notification bell so you're notified every time we post a video, and if you like what you see, please give the video a big thumbs up.
And we'll see you on the next Adventures in Weberland.